How to fix speaker sound low issue on iPhone. So if you want to fix your speaker sound low issue on your iPhone, then first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and go with accessibility. Under accessibility, you need to choose touch, tap on touch, scroll down and you will find an option of call audio routing. You need to tap on it and select automatic so that the sound always comes through your iPhone's own speakers. Now go back and then tap on hearing devices, which will be under your accessibility. Scroll down again, tap on hearing devices and turn off hearing aid compatibility unless you're using a hearing aid. Next, you need to open up your settings and then tap on sound. Go with sounds and haptics. Then tap on headphone safety, which is right here. Tap on it. And you need to switch off reduce loud sound or raise the limit to about 90 decibels so your speakers aren't capped. Flip the silent or ring switch on the side towards you. Press the volume buttons to max out the ringer level. Then swipe down from the top right to open your control center and drag the media volume slider all the way up. Remove your case and screen protector. Then gently clean out the bottom and top speaker grills with a soft brush or toothpick to clear any debris. So that's how you can fix your speaker sound low issue on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.